3/4 divided by 1 and 1/2. So first off, I'm going to be looking at the relationship. And in the relationship, I notice that this is a -3/4 and this is a positive. Doesn't want to go out, is married to somebody who wants to go out all the time. They might have arguments, so the relationship is going to be negative. They're different. I'm going to put the negative sign so I can forget about it and not worry that I won't remember. So the next step is to put it into fraction form. This one is in fraction form, but this is a mixed number. So we're going to multiply the bottom and add the top. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Your denominator stays the same. And now they're both in fraction form. I could ignore this one and just look at this. So keep, switch, flip. I'm going to keep the first fraction the same. I'm going to do this one with me, please. I'm going to switch the division sign to multiplication. And now I'm going to flip the second fraction. It's going to be 2/3. Now I'm going to try step 3 is to cross cancel. I look this way and I have snake eyes. The exact same number with the exact same number means we divide by that number. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Or -3 divided by -3 is 1. Anyways, now we're going to go to the other side, 2/4. Let me circle this with a different color so you can see that I'm looking at 2/4 diagonally. What is the GCF of 2 and 4? And I know most of you guys already know because we've been making these trees. But when you factor out 4, you get 2 times 2. And then you go from one closet to the other closet. And here's our match. The GCF is 2. So we're going to, whoops, that looks weird. We're going to divide it by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. There's also another trick. Remember I told you to look at the smallest number and see if it goes into that number. 2 does go into 4 twice, and 2 goes into 2 once. Now I'm just going to multiply straight across. Numerator with numerator. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And let me put it up here because I want to make sure it's a negative, right? A -1/2. And that is how you multiply with mixed numbers and fractions.